Good morning, I am Gading Alfiro. I am from grade 92 class. I went to practice. Procedure text. How to make a cup of coffee. How to make a cup of coffee. Material and ingredients. Cup and saucer. Spoon. 1 milk and 1 coffee instant. 100 ml water hot. Procedure and prepare. A cup, saucer, spoon, 1 milk, 1 coffee, and hot water. Step 2. Put milk and coffee into the cup. Step 3. Pour some hot water into the cup. Stir it gradually. And coffee ready drink. Serve with warm. Thank you.